Hello everyone. So, have you ever thought why you are not able to do things? Like you start many things to do, but you are unable to complete them. So that one thing we are going to understand today. And from this video, you are going to take something amazing. So be till the end, and we are just going to discuss very amazing concepts or secrets so that you can apply in your life and you can improve a level up. Okay, that's why I am making this video. Fine. So let's go to some concepts that are really useful. So this is called actually the domino effect. So what it is? Okay. So this is called domino effect. What it is? Like when you will be putting dominoes like this, you can see at the this is a cuboidal side box. So when one cuboidal side box that is too small, you just push it, and it tends to push the next one, and then it pushes next one, and then it's next one. So what it happens, like if you take very smaller now, it will lead to a very big dominoes. Yes. So like how much extent it works. So you can just actually search the videos. Many videos are there of the dominoes effect. You can just watch on the YouTube. They are very amazing. So a very small dominoes can actually move up a very big dominoes. So let's see how many dominoes. If you just put the dominoes are something like a cuboidal box. So your first cuboidal is just 2 inches tall, and your 57th, when you will be just push it, and then what will happen? It at the 18th dominoes, it will be size of this uh, and after that 23rd will be the Eiffel Tower. Okay, and 31 will be the Mount Everest. Yes, and the 57th will be the distance to the moon. Yes, yes, guys, this is that much significant thing. That's why I wanted to discuss with you. Like when you start with a very small thing, then like it triggers when you start a very small thing, it triggers the next thing. Then when you complete it, then you gain confidence, and then after that you just start another thing, or in sequence you start another work, then that gives you result. So when you go sequentially, like one by one, then that's build confidence in you, and that's make you more strong, very confident. So what is the application of this thing in machine learning? Like we tend to do a lot of things together in the machine learning. But what is the main thing to focus is like you have to start with Python, complete the Python, then go to the NumPy, and then pandas, and then this sequence should be maintained. Okay, so when you will first complete your Python and make some projects on the Python, then that makes you confident that okay, now I have learned the Python, now I'm going to learn NumPy. And when you are learning NumPy, then you are just focused on the NumPy. So that is how you can just put it yourself on one thing. You know, Starting many things, doing a lot of things together seems like we are very productive. Even I thought that I was very productive, but now I have started doing only one thing at a time, and neglect all the other things. That is really fruitful, guys. Okay, and like very small things leads to greater results. You know, like if you become 1% better every day, you will be 37 times better. Okay, after 1 year, you can see here. So that is how amazing it is. Okay, just see this thing, how much it is incremental. But if you're getting was 1%, then it will become 0.03%. So, like, just think here you are on the 37.78, and here you are 0.03. So you are not, you have nothing. So better to gain something, to learn something, and not only learn machine learning, just learn some, study some books so that you can improve your communication skills, some financing skills, some business skills, other things, so that you will have the whole experience and you will become a better personality. Yes, you should have a good personality to get a job, or you have the team skills to be more productive with the team. So that is how all these things works, and these two concepts are really amazing. And this book is recommended for you if you want. If you can learn, you can really get many things. Like the one thing, focusing on one thing is very amazing thing, guys. Like I am focusing on one thing. Like after reading this book, actually I am reading this book now, and this is quite simple, in very simple words. If you haven't tried any book, then I will be suggesting that start from this book. This book is really amazing. Small chapters are there, and really crisp and concise concepts are there, so you'll be fun to read it. So that is recommended. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have got this thing. And if you have any thought or any advice or anything to discuss, then please comment below and hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you.